Welcome back to my channel, guys. I did a Christmas candy taste test video a few months back and you all seem to really enjoy that one. So today we are doing an Easter edition. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here and you're officially cooking with Karli. Like I said, today we are doing an Easter taste test or an Easter candy taste test video. And these are all just Easter candy that I found at Walmart and my local grocery store. And guess what? I can finally do another candy taste test video because I am no longer pregnant. Woo, woo, woo. I'm a little happy about it. I can't tell. But I've got 11 different candies here. I have not tasted any of these before. And I'm not going to lie, some of them I'm really not excited to taste, like that and that. But I will for your sake, okay? All right, we're going to try the Cotton Candy Peeps first. Like I said, I'm not really a Peep fan, but we're gonna give this a try. So they're pink and they've got like blue sprinkles on them. So that's kind of cute and fun. Very soft. And peepish. Okay, here we go. I feel like I should have bought a regular Peep so I could like compare. That just tastes like a marshmallow. If Peeps are your thing, you might like these. I don't feel like they taste much different. Would you like a taste? Just a little nib to see if it tastes different. Normal Peep, maybe a hint of cotton candy.
Can I have that one?
Sure, you can have the rest. On a scale of 1 to 10, how delicious are these? They're not gross. If I had an option of eating any candy in the world, would it be these? No. But I would give it like a solid 5. Like, they're fine. Okay, let's just get all the Peeps out of the way, yeah? Let's do the Fruit Punch Peeps. Fruit Punch Peeps. It's kind of fun. All right. Oh, wow. I can smell them. They smell exactly like Hawaiian Punch. That is overwhelming. Can you smell those over there? No? Okay. So they are bright red. All right, let's do this. Very soft again, which I feel like most of the Peeps I've eaten in my life have been like open and left open, so they're like hard. Okay. That's weird. It's like, oh, it gets stronger. It's like Hawaiian Punch flavored marshmallow. It definitely tastes like fruit punch. So if like a fruit punch flavored marshmallow sounds good to you, you might enjoy these. If a fruit punch flavored marshmallow sounds good to you, you'd probably enjoy these. I think I'm gonna stop with the one bite there. I would rate these lower than the last Peeps. If there was only one candy left on the planet and it was this, I would just never eat candy again. All right, on to the last and final Peep. I am not excited about this. I mean, hot tamales. I like hot tamales, but they're like a gummy candy, right? Not marshmallow. Who would want a cinnamon spicy flavored marshmallow? This is how dedicated I am to you guys. Okay, bright red again. Definitely can smell the cinnamon right off the bat. I wish the cotton candy ones were like that. Like, it was just like cotton candy, you know? They weren't. All right. I wonder if the cinnamon is on the outside or if it's just sugar, because it seems like it's more like coated in something. Nope, that's not cinnamony. Okay, here we go. Tastes exactly like hot tamale. But weird texture. You know what? These actually might not be bad dipped in chocolate. If you've ever had like chocolate covered cinnamon bears, it actually might not be bad. On its own, I give it a like solid 3. Okay, let's do some chocolate. I want to try this. So it's Reese's peanut butter cream egg. Never seen this before. I found this one at my local grocery store. I didn't find this one at Walmart. Let's cut this bad boy in half. Should we? So the inside is definitely smoother than like a regular Reese's peanut butter cup, because you know how the peanut butter is like kind of gritty a little bit. But let's give it a taste. Tastes like a Reese's with just like a smoother inside. I mean, it's good. I would eat a lot of those. I would put that at like 8 or 9. I feel like the peanut butter to chocolate ratio is not quite there. It's probably too much peanut butter, which is why it did not get a perfect 10. Next up, let's do these Starburst Swirlers. So there's 2 flavors in one stick. We've got 3 different flavors. We have cherry lemon, strawberry orange, and cherry strawberry. I think I'm gonna go for the strawberry orange one. If they are labeled. Okay. Oh wow, look. So they come in these little packages. There's our other flavor. Here we are. I thought they'd be soft. Oh wow, look at that. That looks like a unicorn horn. Okay. Oh, they are soft. They're bendable. Tastes like if you were to put 2 Starbursts in your mouth. I mean, those are good. They're not super soft. They're almost like, they have a little bit different of a texture. I like them though. Those are like an 8. I like Starburst. Anybody want to try it? Before we finish up with our candy taste test video, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I do lots of taste test videos, kitchen, like gadget review type videos, and also some pretty awesome recipe videos. So hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay. Everybody have a moment of silence and hope that these taste like circus peanuts and they're not a huge letdown. Okay. Oh, they smell like circus peanuts. Oh, look, they even have an orange one, like a circus peanut. Got chicks and rabbits in here. Okay, we're going to try this rabbit. It's the same texture. I don't even know how to describe that texture. It's exactly like a circus peanut. If you like circus peanuts, buy these. Yep, those are gonna go into a bowl right back there, and I will probably eat every single one of them. Those are good. Solid 9. Next up, let's try these like fancy Cadbury eggs. Oh, they're giant. They're bigger than a Cadbury egg, for sure. That's kind of fun. So it's like the same colors, only instead of pink, they've got this, like, it's more, a little bit more purple, but pretty much same colors. Chocolate taste test. It's got that same like hard crunchy outside. Whoa. It's really good chocolate. They taste actually pretty similar. These are a lot more expensive though. This is like, you buy these for a fancy grandma, but Cadbury eggs are just as good and a lot cheaper, and you get a lot more of them. So I definitely buy Cadbury over these, but these are like really good chocolate. And it's kind of fun that they're bigger too, but yeah. I would say those are like an 8 or 9 taste wise, but would I buy these ever again? No, I'd buy Cadbury. Key lime pie. So it's white chocolate that is key lime pie flavored. I'm like, in what world would you even want key lime pie flavored M&Ms? Okay. Oh wow, you can smell the lime. That's weird. They're big. They're a lot bigger than like regular M&Ms would be. Got the fun green and like cream colored. I think there's another green color in here, a darker one. Okay. I'm just stalling at this point. That is weird. I can taste the graham cracker crust. They taste like the lime from the lime flavored tortilla chips. So like take the lime off of that and mix it with white chocolate, and that is what you have. I don't even want to eat another one. I would give it a 2. Let's just keep going with the citrus movement here. Let's try these lemon crisp Kit Kats, which I have had people tell me that these are actually good. So I'm not like a sweet lemon person though. I prefer like sour lemon, like lemon heads. I mean, they smell lemony. Okay, here we go. Just Kit Kat on the inside, like the wafers. It's not like overpowering lemon. It's not my cup of tea. But if you enjoy lemon desserts, you'd probably enjoy these. I would probably give it like a 3 for me. Like I'm probably gonna give the rest of this back to my sister. Okay, so we've got our Twizzler here, and like I said, it's Twisted Strawberry Blast. They smell a little bit different, like almost like strawberries and cream or something. Remember those like hard candies that were like, you had orange and cream and strawberries and cream? That's what it smells like. We'll see if it tastes any different. There we go. They might taste a little different. I mean, they're good, but it's not a huge flavor difference. So those, I would say like a 5 or a 6. They're good. I'm not the biggest Twizzler fan in the world, but those are good. And the colors are really fun for Easter. So if you like licorice, give them a shot. Last one, drum roll please. We're going to try this double chocolate M&M. Let me get a bowl for this because we're gonna want to see. All right, here we go. This is a moment of truth. Wait, they all look the exact same. I was not expecting that at all. I'm gonna have to like eat all of these and find one. Okay, well, that was not what I was expecting. So they're all egg-shaped, which is fun. Fun, like Eastery colors. That one's, whoa, broke open. That one's definitely peanut butter. One. See, I think this one is gonna be a double chocolate, maybe. Nope, that's milk chocolate. This is ridiculous. Oh, that one popped up. Peanut butter. Maybe they're by color. Was this the color I tried first? I think it was. So maybe this is a double chocolate. That is a double chocolate. It looks just like a regular one, but the flavor is different. It's like much darker. It's like a richer chocolate. I'm making a mess. My conclusion is that all M&Ms are good, besides the key lime pie ones. Don't do those. But this mystery mixed bag, they're all good in here. I'm pretty sure this one was the double chocolate. I feel like I need to keep going. All right, we're done with the taste test. I would say least favorites were these. And I don't know, I just don't really like Peeps. Those two were pretty bad. That one was decent. Favorites, probably the Reese's egg, these things, the circus peanut bunnies, and these were my favorite. But I mean, the only ones that really got bad marks were those ones. Anyway, if you like candy too and have a sweet tooth like I do, go check out your local grocery store, see if you can find any of these unique Easter candies this year and give them a try. Let me know in the comments below if you find some, if you like them, if you don't like them. Give me all the details. We'll see you next time.